Red light camera ahead.
What's up, you guys? How are you? I promise you I don't have the same clothes on. I just have the same headband from last video. So this is my look when I go to work, guys. I have a work wig, I have a work band, and this is what it is.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn right.
Okay. Yeah, so I just left work and I am now headed to get my nails and my toes done. I'm super excited because I love this type of, or this form of self-care, because self-care is not just one type of way. Self-care is whatever, you know, you like to do that makes you feel more girly or more relaxed or more at peace. And, you know, getting my nails and my toes done, of course it makes me feel girly, but I genuinely love having my nails and my toes done. I get so excited during the process and even after the process. So yeah, so I'm heading there now, and I probably will have to run to the store really quickly and then go home. Mind you, I'm traveling this weekend, God willing, so I'm still trying to get myself together and put some things together before I head out.
At the lights,
So
turn right onto South Washington Street.
there's that. And now you guys are soon about to know my location with my GPS going off. But anyway, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, today was a pretty chill day. I mean, work for me, because I'm in the healthcare field and I'm working with patients, obviously I can't record because a lot of this stuff is highly sensitive information. And also I just don't want to violate HIPAA and get my license in trouble or license revoked, God forbid. So this is why I can't necessarily record while I'm at work, because of the patient level sensitivity that there is there. But if you didn't know, I am a pharmacist, and currently I work at a clinic that services refugees across the globe and also within our community. So yeah, so there's that. What else? I don't know what else to say, but I do know that I you know, being a pharmacist, and maybe I'll do that video on that one day about my journey into being or becoming a pharmacist, because next year will make it my 10th year of practicing as a pharmacist, which I'm like, wow, I cannot even believe that.
Go past these lights, then at the next set, turn left.
But that will be maybe a future video to come. So anyway, so yeah, as I mentioned before, guys, heading to my nail appointment.
At the lights,
hoping
turn
that I won't be
left
too
onto
late,
East Baltimore Street.
and we will go from there. Alrighty. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm a content creator.
No?
It's not focusing. I don't know why. Yeah. All right, have a good night. Thank you. Oh no, sorry. Guys.
Organs receive life. Every genetic defect is rewritten by the blood. You will rise tomorrow and discover the pain.